Hello everybody, this is my self-introduction video for educational psychology this semester. So to get started, the grade level that I would love to teach in the future is first grade. Last semester with teaching profession, I had to do observation hours and I chose to do kindergarten here in Poplar Bluff. And it was a little too much for me, but I think first grade will be a little bit better than that, so I'm super excited. The subject content that I would love to teach is math. My experience with technology is, I would say, pretty good. I had educational technology here at Three Rivers last semester, so we did a lot of technology stuff, especially how to use it in the classroom. So I also took quite a few college courses in high school to get a little bit of a head start on my associate's degree. So I took a lot of online courses through that, so technology was used, obviously. From this course, I would love to gain more knowledge on psychology. I haven't had any psychology classes yet towards my associate's degree, so I'm excited to learn more about that. And I know psychology is very important in the classroom and educationally. So that's a little bit about my self-introduction. It was nice to meet you all, and I hope you have a great semester.